Blizz! Blizz isn't dead. He can't be. He isn't turning to dust. But then again, I don't know the rules of this universe. Maybe he really is. Ew. Blizz, just hang in there, buddy. I got you. There you go. Ew. Ink. Ink. Blizz, you're... Ink. 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 I'm here, Blizz. I'm here. Ink. Ink. He's cold as ice. Huh? I'm back in the doodle sphere. His world is gone. There was nothing I could do. Never before have I come across an AU that destroyed itself without the presence of a human. I can't return to Blizz's world. All of the traces of its existence have vanished. But I have a feeling Blizz is in a better place now. Huh? Where am I? I was just... can't remember. Huh? Hey, Sans. It's good to see you again. Did you miss me? Dad! But how are you here? I was in the middle of looking for and then... Hey, don't think about it, okay? What matters is that you made it. Made it? Someone has been itching to see you. Huh? Sons! Where have you been? I was looking all over for you. And then I ran into Dad. Do you know how embarrassing it is for me? I, the great virus, not knowing where his brother is? Never leave me again. Okay? Okay, Paps. I promise. Go on, you two. It's time to go. Go? Yes, Sans. You need to come and see the others. Others? Hey, everybody's here. Queen Toriel, King Asgore, even Grilby. Come on, let's go. Not entirely sure what's happening, but everything feels right. And hey guys, I hope you enjoyed this last comic dub thing. Yeah, this is the last comic dub if you didn't see last week's video. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please check out the artist. They make they make amazing art. I really like their art style. It's gonna be their Tumblr account. It's gonna be in the description, and we hope to see you next time. Goodbye.